Are you looking for the best drones under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ruko F11 Gym 2 Drone. Ruko F11 Gym 2 Drone is a high-quality drone with great features. The 4K camera and 2-axis gimbal provide clear and stable video and picture quality, while the 5x zoom function allows you to get detailed shots from a distance. The 3 intelligent batteries provide up to 28 minutes of flight time each, and the GPS auto return home function ensures a safe flight. The brushless motor is powerful and provides a stable flight, while the app provides a simple and easy-to-use interface. The user manual and quick start guide help you get started quickly and easily, and the clear instructions and helpful training videos provide everything you need to know to get started. Number 2. Holystone HS720E Drone. Holystone HS720E Drone is a great purchase for anyone looking for an advanced drone that captures superior image quality. The IS technology reduces video blurring, while the 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures longer and smoother image transmission. The air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system make it easy to use, and the GPS location ensures you can find it if it gets lost. The advanced flight modes add more fun and creativity to your flights, and the brushless motors make it powerful and much quieter than other drones. However, keep in mind that the 4K video recording is only at 30 FPS and there is no obstacle avoidance. If you can live with those limitations, then the Holystone HS720E drone is a great purchase. Number 3. Parrot PF72800 Anafi Drone. The Parrot Anafi Extended Drone is a unique drone that features a 4K HDR camera and 180 degrees vertical swivel gondola. With its 3-axis hybrid stabilization, you can capture crisp, smooth videos under every circumstance. The new Sony sensor and wide-angle spherical lens allows you to take detailed photos and go even further with burst mode and optimized exposure control. The Anafi drone is ultra-compact, lightweight, and portable, so you can take it with you on your adventures. The extended pack comes with a carrying case, 2 additional smart batteries, 3 USB-C cables, a 16GB micro SD card, 2 months access to the Adobe Creative Suite Cloud, and a spare remote control and propellers. So take off on your next adventure with the Parrot Anafi Extended Drone. Number 4. Potensic Atom Drone. The Potensic Atom GPS drone is a compact, feature-packed flying marvel designed for both novice and experienced drone enthusiasts. The Atom is equipped with a Sony CMOS sensor and a 12MP camera capable of recording 4K/30 FPS video, delivering high-quality aerial images and videos. The 3-axis brushless gimbal stabilizes the camera, ensuring smooth and steady footage even in level 5 windy conditions, which is a standout feature for a drone of this size. The Atom Fly More combo includes a parallel charging hub that supports 60 watts full quick charge for 3 batteries at once, charging within just 1.5 hours. With these 3 batteries, users can enjoy extended flight times up to 96 minutes, which is excellent for longer shooting sessions or explorations. Weighing in at just under 249 grams, the Atom GPS drone is incredibly portable and does not require FAR or remote ID registration, making it an ideal choice for casual flyers and travelers. Its lightweight design and included storage bag make it easy to carry on all your adventures. Featuring upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology, the drone ensures a strong and stable transmission with a maximum range of up to 6 kilometers, 20,000 feet. This extended range combined with responsive remote control makes it highly adaptable for various filming conditions. The drone supports visual tracking and quick shots modes like pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang. which allow users to capture creative and cinematic videos effortlessly. These features are perfect for enhancing the quality of vlogs or adventurous shoots. Number 5. Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone. The Bwine drone has completed Remote ID certification and complies with the FAR Declaration of Compliance. Get a Bwine drone and fly unhindered. You can find the Remote ID on the drone arm, including the QR code. For any more questions about FAR Remote ID, please get in touch with us via the contact information on the back cover of the manual or the Bwine drone app. A one-click detachable 4K video camera, along with a 120 degrees FOF lens and large ICMOS sensor, will bring you the ultimate aerial photography experience, especially to record the unforgettable night scenes. Besides, equipped with a 3-axis gimbal plus 5x digital zoom ensures its shooting is more stable and convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance, direction, and composition. Comes with 3x2600 mAh intelligent batteries. The F7 drone offers you a total of 75 minutes of flight time per trip. The battery has passed safety testing and complies with the Underwriters Laboratories UL 2054 standard, the UL Compliance Certificate, Model No. DS9028115 is issued for your peace of mind. In addition, for the best charging performance, you can choose Bwine 65 watts fast charger and fast charging cable, which achieve ultra-high efficiency charging and be fully charged in an average of 1.5 hours. With built-in 1806 brushless motor, compass, gyroscope, barometer, plus 6-level wind resistance test report, you can fly on a 2,000 meters peak and control F7 within a range of 3,000 meters opening parenthesis. The ideal range is between 9,800 to 10,000 feet. Even in thin air or on windy days at high altitudes, you can still feel its calmness and shoot an ultra-clear and stable video and pictures. It will be easy to look down and record your city, town, or farm from a high-altitude first-person perspective.